Hello everyone, this is our website Movie Review Hub. This is the home page where we have the search option to search by a movie or to search by the actor. So let's begin by searching for a movie. Here we have an autocomplete option where as you type in the letters the search result gets refined, and when suppose you search for Batman, it will give you a results related to the search term. This is a search page where we have the search results sorted by the IMDb rating, and for each of the movie we show the plot summary. Uh, so let's check out Batman Begins. This is the movie page where you can see the details about the movies like release date, genre, the cast, director, plot summary, the IMDb rating, the meta score which is the critics rating. The custom rating is calculated by us. It is basically a weighted average of the ratings given by the prolific authors. So these are the authors who have given more than 100 reviews on IMDb. We also have a list of similar liked movies. So say Matrix is a similar movie to Batman Begins. Below you can see a list of reviews for each of the movie. We have performed sentiment analysis on the reviews. So the green smiley indicates it is a positive review. This sad smiley indicates it is a negative review, and this one indicates that the review is neutral. Also we have performed summarization. So what you see over here is a summarized review, and when you click on any one of them, so you can see the entire review as it was given on IMDb. So let's go to another other feature, which is the actors. So you can search for any actor and it will show you the list of movies in his entire career. You can hover on each of them and you can see the IMDb rating for that movie. As you can see for Tom Cruise, his highest rated movie is The Rain Man. You can even click on the movie and go to the movie page and check out the details about the movie. Another option we have is to compare the actor with another actor. So here we are comparing Tom Cruise with Leonardo DiCaprio. As you can see, the timelines of the career lines of the two actors. You can even add as many actors that you want to this series. It'll just overlap over each other. Then you can selectively select any pair of actors or any one actor as you want, and you can compare and contrast their careers. The last feature that we have is the graph informatics page. So this is basically a page where we have all movies from 1970 to 2015, and they are grouped by each of the years. When you hover on them, you can see the count of the movies released in that year. Uh, Now let's go to the year 2008 and check out the movies in that year. So The Dark Knight is the top rated movie in that year. You can apply certain filters to the movie list. Now suppose you want to watch science fiction movies. So these are the movies with the genre science fiction released in 2008. Now you want to add another filter where you want to watch only PG and PG-13 movies. So now this is a list of movies, science fiction movies released in 2008 with the MPA rating PG and PG-13. You can go back to the list and check out any other year that you want and apply the filters again. Thank you.